Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 3 dashcams under $200. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly dashcam for everyday use, we'll cover the pros and cons of 3 popular choices: the Garmin Mini 2, the Kingslim D5-4K, and the REDTIGER F7N. Let's get started. First up is the Garmin Mini 2, priced around $130. This dashcam stands out for its ultra-compact design, perfect if you want something unobtrusive on your windshield. It records in 1080p, providing clear footage day and night, and has a 140 degrees field of view. One unique feature is its voice control, which lets you save footage or take photos hands-free by simply saying, "Okay, Garmin." Pros: the small size and lack of a screen make it nearly invisible on the windshield, and the voice control is a great touch. It also has a G sensor, which automatically saves footage if it detects sudden movement or a collision. For long-term users, Garmin offers cloud storage with a subscription to easily save and retrieve videos. Cons: however, the Mini 2 lacks a built-in GPS, which means you won't have location or speed tracking, and the setup can be a bit tricky due to connectivity issues with the Garmin Drive app. Overall, the Mini 2 is excellent for people who prioritize simplicity and minimalism over extra features like GPS tracking. Next is the Kingslim D5-4K, coming in around $70, making it the most affordable option here. This dashcam records Ultra HD 4K video on the front cam, giving crystal clear footage and fantastic details. It has a wide-angle, 170 degrees lens and a Sony Starvis sensor that really shines for low-light and nighttime recording. Plus, it has an optional GPS feature, which can save driving routes and speeds onto your video. Pros: Kingslim D5-4K is one of the few dashcams that provides 4K quality at this price range. It's also easy to install and has a parking mode that captures incidents when your vehicle is stationary. Cons: on the downside, it doesn't include a rear camera by default, which could be a deal-breaker for those wanting dual-channel recording. Some users report the app's user interface as clunky, making it hard to download or transfer videos. If you want high video quality without breaking the bank, the Kingslim D5-4K is a solid choice. Lastly, we have the REDTIGER F7N, which goes for around $130. This dual dashcam has a front camera recording in 4K and a rear in 1080p, capturing footage from both directions. The F7N has GPS tracking and Wi-Fi compatibility, so you can view and download recordings directly to your smartphone. It also includes night vision and a G sensor, which locks footage during sudden stops or accidents. Pros: the F7N's dual camera setup makes it an attractive option for rideshare drivers or those wanting extra coverage. The 4K video quality is excellent, and having GPS tracking is great for reviewing trips. Cons: its main drawback is its bulkier size compared to the Garmin Mini 2. It also has a steeper learning curve for installation and setup due to additional cabling needed for the rear camera. The REDTIGER F7N is ideal for those who want comprehensive road coverage without spending too much. So there you have it, the Garmin Mini 2, Kingslim D5-4K, and REDTIGER F7N. Each one has its strengths. If you want something compact and simple, go with the Garmin Mini 2. For high definition on a budget, the Kingslim D5-4K is the way to go. And for dual camera coverage with GPS, the REDTIGER F7N is hard to beat. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.